charts. Let's look at the fourth way of visualizing data in NVivo 14, which is through the use of tables that can subsequently be turned into even bar charts if you like. We still have our major three main themes here. We have ethnicity, self-perception, and other people's perception. So if I press Ctrl All on my keyboard and then I right click and go to export list and call this codes sample2, and let's save that. It's an Excel file. NVivo will export all our codes and all our themes as this Excel file that you can see here. When we export the list, NVivo will export all our themes first, or the order that we coded our data. For example, you can see some numbers on my left here. You can see number 1, 2, 3. 1 are the major themes. 2 are the themes and the sub-themes and codes for some instances. For example, for the theme of ethnicity, these are the codes. For the theme or for the major theme of self-perception, these are the sub-themes of negative, positive, negative, positive. And this is the data. The files are the number of participants that were coded to that given theme or that were assigned to that given code or theme or sub-theme. References are the number of references made for each major theme, sub-theme, or code. Now, if you click on number 3, now you have the full coding structure. We can export this list in NVivo, which we can attach to the appendix of your dissertation or thesis, and also we can use this to draw tables that we will use in our report. For example, I have this data analysis report I made. After I did the analysis, I wrote the report and I shared this freely. So when you finish this video, and if you have not watched my other video, I'll link it at the end of this video so you can go watch the whole process of reflexive thematic analysis and how we come up with all these themes and codes. We have like this table that I simply copy pasted from the Excel file that you have seen here, the Excel file that I just showed you. If you look at it here, I just copy pasted this data like ethnicity, self-perception, and other people's perception, and you can see that this is the data I copy pasted with files and references. Now, this kind of data, you can present it in your report as a way of visualizing as a table, which is this kind of a table. So you simply copy paste it from the list that you export from NVivo 14. So this is what I did here. But you can go even further and come up with what we call bar charts using Microsoft Word of such kind of information, and that's what I want to show you. Now, the information that we got from Excel file, for example, these are the major themes that I got or that I obtained from my study. I can copy this and I can go ahead, open a Word document, and I can copy the table there, and then I can delete